Okay. Hey guys. So I'm going to teach you how you can, if you do a video on Gacha Life, how you can get the sound of Gacha Life off. So I am making this new video. So this is kind of spoiler. And listen, my music has the Gacha Life sound. So what you want to do is press that, and there will be this next corner which will pop up, and it says mixer. If you press that, there'll be a volume button that's be at 100. So turn that down to 0.
Need a little more time.
And you can play back. There you go. Okay, I'm not doing a spoiler anymore. But yeah, that's basically how you can do it. That was just a waste of my time. Okay, bye.